What's up friends, Fix It Felix here. Today we're working on a 2009 Nissan Quest. The problems we have is there's a small leak on the radiator, so I'm going to be replacing it, so stay tuned. To get to the radiator, it's really easy. We just have to remove this plastic here. So just grab a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. You can turn this right here, and with the flathead screwdriver you can pry it open. It should come out. My other clips are missing, I don't know why, but it's the same process. Once you remove them all, just pull this little plastic and it comes out. The leak that I had, it was around here. Right now it's not leaking, but whenever you turn on the car and pressure builds up and like the engine gets warm up, there's water coming from here. The next step is to remove the battery. If you remove the battery, you have more space to remove the radiator and the fan after. You can use a 10mm socket to remove this bracket that goes here. I'm going to be using a drill to speed up the process. Now you can remove the negative and the positive terminals using also a 10mm socket. We are going to have to remove this as well. You can use a flathead screwdriver and just like press here and pull up a little bit, and then same thing with the other side. Yeah, just press and pull up. There. Good. Now you can lift the battery cover that's underneath. Now you can remove these 5 bolts that are here. There's another bolt right here. Let me give you a better look. This one, you can use the small 12mm socket, because if you put the extension, it don't fit right there. So just if you put the small one, it does fit. Make sure you get all the bolts and put them somewhere safe. Now remove this clip that's here. What you have to do is just pinch and pull. If it's hard, you can use a flathead screwdriver. There. Good. And same thing with this one right here. There's another one right there. Now you can already remove this. Just put it on the side. Good. Now there's 2 10mm bolts that we have to remove. One is here and one is here. This is what's holding the fan. Now release the connector for the fan. This one right here, what you have to do is just push and pull. If it's a little bit too hard for you, you can use a flathead screwdriver and it's gonna help you. You can like press better and then pull. There, good. And then same thing with this connector too. Perfect. And once right here, you can remove these clips. There's one here and another one right there. Good. Now we have to remove these 2 guys right here. I'll show you how. What you have to do is just pull these 2 little arms to the side and then just pull out and then pull up. And make sure you don't lose this. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Pull the little arms to the side and then just pull up. Good. Now we're going to put a jack in the middle, lift up the car, and then we put 2 jack stands on the side for safety and support. Now, you may have a shield that goes around here. It's like a plastic cover. I don't know why mine is not here, but if you have one, it's really simple to remove. It's just like around 5 or 6 clips that go here. Once you remove, you can see this area. Now we're going to drain the radiator. We have to remove the drain plug that's here. Make sure you have a bucket underneath because all the water is going to come out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, you can put it right here and we can unplug it. Be aware hot water may come out. Just make sure the engine is cold so that you don't get burned. Now what you can do, you can open the radiator. That way the water can drain faster. Let me show you. Just open it. And now look at how fast it drains. Lemonade. It's still dripping. Now we have to remove the radiator hose that's down here using some pliers. Now we have to remove this one right here. This is a transmission hose and we have to remove this one as well. Make sure you put a bucket underneath because there's going to be oil coming out. What you need to do is use some pliers. You can push this and it comes out. Be careful, like I said, it's going to be oil coming out. They sell like special pliers where you can put it around here so the oil won't come out. I mean, I don't have those right now. So what I'm going to be using is, I'm going to be using this bolt. One of these should fit. I'm going to put it inside and that's gonna stop it. There, it's not gonna drip anymore. And we're going to do the same one for the other one. Now we can remove this hose right here. We can also remove this small one right here. At this point, we can already remove the fan. Let's lift up the radiator. There, good. Be careful, there's still water inside. Hey guys, I will be putting a link down below where you can buy the radiator. In my case, I'm going to buy it at the junkyard. I really recommend you buy it new. I mean, it's not a wise decision to put a used radiator on. But in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it at the junkyard. I mean, it's not too far from my house. And I really hate waiting 2 or 3 days for it to come to my house. So I mean, I recommend you buy it brand new. All right, we just got here. It's really sunny outside, so I'm going to wear a long sleeve shirt. It's really hot here. So with the shirt, I'm gonna feel more fresh. And we're inside. Got my toolbox and my backpack. And welcome to hell. No, I'm just kidding. Junkyard. Pick apart junkyard. There it is. I got a Nissan Quest. Radiator looks good. So let's take it out. So this is a receipt for a seat
for the radiator and a plastic trim that I bought.
Alright guys, this is the radiator we bought at the junkyard. It should be working perfectly. That's what the guy said. Just remember, we have to put this little leg right here. We have to put it down here, like inside. And same thing goes for the other side. This little leg, we have to put it right there. At this point, you can already install the little plug that goes here. Perfect. Be gentle putting the radiator inside so you don't damage anything. Good. Now let's get underneath and connect all the hoses we removed. Now we're going to put this hose. Alright guys, we're almost finished. Now let's go ahead and put the fan in. Just move the connectors. And move this hose too. We have to put these two little legs, this one and this one. We gotta make them fit right there. We gotta put them inside right there. Good. Now we're going to put the two bolts that goes right here and right here. Good. Now we're going to put this guy. Remember, just put it here and then just push in. Great. And same thing goes for this one. Perfect. Now we can put this little hose. We can already connect the electrical parts. It's really easy. We just pretty much just push in. And just connect the other one as well and connect all the little clips. Now we're going to connect the radiator hose. Remember, use the pliers. Perfect. At this point, we can already place the battery frame here. Using the 12mm socket, we're going to tighten all the bolts. Don't forget to tie this one right here. We can already place the battery cover here. Plug in the little clip that goes here. This one as well. And now we can attach this one already. You gotta push it in. Excellent. Now we can already put the battery there. Connect the negative and also the positive. Using the 10mm ratchet, you can already tighten them up. Amazing guys, perfect. Now I'm going to add the water and the antifreeze. It's usually 50% water, 50% antifreeze. But if you don't know how to do it, just follow the instructions behind the antifreeze you're going to put on. Once that's finished, we can already put this plastic. And remember to put the little clips. Alright guys, everything looks nice and clean. Now we're going to turn on the car and check if everything is okay. Make sure everything is good, make sure the fans are on, and also make sure there's no leaks or anything. Everything looks amazing. Great job. And that's it, guys. We finished the job. Everything looks good. Everything looks nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now we learned how to replace the radiator on a Nissan Quest. Make sure you bleed the system so we can take out all the air out. I'll be putting the link down below where you can buy the radiator just in case you need it. Please give a big thumbs up to this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when I keep posting videos. Thank you so much, guys. As always, peace.